Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rajlakshmi Valavalkar. I'm the Medical Director of Cocoon Fertility, which is an IVF chain of clinics. I'm a gynecologist, an endoscopic surgeon and an IVF specialist. I've been a gynac since the last 24 years and have a 14-year of IVF practice experience now. Cocoon Fertility has got 6 centers currently, and we have 4 centers coming up in the near future. Behind every success story in life, there are people that support you, that motivate you and that inspire you. And for me, the greatest motivation lies in my mother. My mother, who was basically a doctor, she was the head of department at JJ Hospital, who despite having a very high-flying career, not on a single day made us feel that she did not have time for us. And she was a woman that I saw balancing her career and her life fantastically well. And I think she probably got these excellent managerial qualities from her own mother, who was the principal of a school, and yet managed to bring up 3 illustrious daughters, my mother and my 2 aunts. So I basically come from a family where women empowerment was there since word go. My grandmother, my grandmother actually did her post-graduation and her graduation after my mother was born, which was quite a few years after she got married. And my great-grandmother had done her matriculation in those very early years of 1910, 1908. So, that is the sort of backing that was always there. And each of these women have been a source of inspiration for me. They have shown me that one should not limit oneself, that if one decides to do something, then all that one has to do is to sit down, think about it and find your way out of any difficulty that you might face. And most importantly, to ask for help. There are people around there to help you. All you have to do is ask for help. Another motivation in my life, without whom I could not have achieved what I have achieved today, is my younger sister, Dr. Anagha Karkhanis. And as everybody knows, Cocoon is something that both of us do together. And my joy of my life, my daughter, who keeps inspiring me to become a better person and a better mother with every passing day of my life. So these are my inspirations in my life. On the occasion of International Women's Day, I would like to say to all the women out there that no dream is too big or too small. If you have a dream, go for it. And go for it now, because this is the time to do it. The world, the society will keep telling you that there is a glass ceiling out there, but do not believe that. This is a time to choose to challenge, and that is our theme for this year. Challenge the beliefs that you have had till now that tell you that you cannot achieve something. Challenge them completely. And remember that if you set your mind to doing something, you will be able to achieve it. The other thing that I would like to say to all the women out there is that be supportive of each other. It is if you support another woman, she in turn will support somebody else, and that is how a chain of support can be put in place.